So in this video I am going to solve KCET 2015 mathematics paper with a detailed explanation. Okay. So first let us move on to the first question. In this question, f of x is given 1 by 2 minus tan of x by x divided by 2. So domain of this function is x is greater than, strictly greater than minus 1, strictly less than plus 1. And g of x is also given square root of 3 plus 4x minus 4x square. Find the domain of f plus g. So this question based on the chapter particularly function and also depends on the chapters trigonometry and linear inequations. So solve this question using two formulas, one domain. So domain of these two function addition. So using the formula first, domain of f plus g is equal to domain of f intersection domain of g. Okay, and one more formula, linear inequation. So x square plus ax square plus bx plus c. So this can be factorization. It becomes x minus alpha into x minus beta less than or equal to 0. What is the x values of this inequation? Directly we can write x is greater than or equal to alpha, less than or equal to beta. In this case, alpha is less than or equal to beta. So strictly less than beta. So in this case, alpha strictly less than beta. Okay. So using these two formula, we have to find out the domain of f plus g. Okay. So first, already we have to find out domain of f. No, because already it is given. Domain of f is x is strictly greater than minus 1, less than plus 1. So let us move on to the first domain of f. It is given domain of f equal to open interval minus 1 to plus 1. So now let us find out the domain of the g of x function. So g of x function domain, g of x is defined when 3 plus 4x minus 4x square greater than or equal to 0. So now we have to find out the x value, that is the domain of g. Okay, so simplify this, multiply minus 1 on both sides, it becomes 4x square minus 4x minus 3 less than or equal to 0. So multiply minus 1 on both sides, linear inequation change in opposite direction. Okay, so in this case, for 3 is minus 12. So minus 12 can be written as minus 6x plus 2x minus 3 less than or equal to 0. Here 2x take outside, becomes 2x minus 3. So here plus 1 take outside, it becomes 2x minus 3 less than or equal to 0. Now common term 2x minus 3 take outside, 2x minus 3 remaining 2x plus 1 less than or equal to 0. In both the two terms, so take 2 outside common, here 2 outside, here also 2 outside, 2 2s are 4, it becomes x minus 3 by 2 and so it becomes x plus 1 by 2 less than or equal to 0. Divided by 4 on both sides, linear inequality does not alter, same as it is. So this can be written as x plus 1 by 2 can be written as minus of minus 1 by 2 and this can be written as x minus 3 by 2. So this is equal to less than or equal to 0. Now it is in the form of x minus alpha, x minus beta less than or equal to 0. So in this case, alpha is minus 1 by 2, beta is 3 by 2. So here alpha less than beta, directly write down x values. So x greater than or equal to minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to plus 3 by 2. This is the domain of the function g. So this implies x belongs to the closed interval -1 by 2 to plus 3 by 2. Closed interval, both are included. So now we have to find out domain of the function f plus g. So using this formula, domain of f plus g is equal to what? Domain of f intersection domain of g. So domain of f intersection domain of g means domain of f plus g nothing but domain of f intersection domain of g. So equal to domain of f is what? Can be written as domain of f intersection domain of g. Domain of f is -1 to +1 intersection domain of g -1 by 2 to -1 by 2 to +3 by 2 +3 by 2. So intersection is common element between them. So first we take lower limit. So in lower limit which one is the bigger? -1 by 2. Take -1 by 2 closed and take next second elements. In second elements, what is the lower element? Lower element lower means what? 1 when compared to the 3 by 2, because 3 by 2 is 1.5. So 1 we can write 1 open. So this is the domain of f plus g. So which option is correct? -1 by 2 to 1. So good answer option A. Therefore option A is correct. Option A is correct. So this problem is very moderate problem, very tricky question. So ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು domain of f plus g domain of equal to domain of f intersection domain of g and also linear inequation problem. ಸೊ ಇವೆರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಬಟ್ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಕಿ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್. So now let us move on to the next question, question number 2. So in this question, write the set builder form of A is equal to set contains -1 plus 1. So it is in the set roster form. It is the given data roster form. It is in roster form. So we have to find out the set builder form. Given find out in fact is what? Set builder form. So among which one of the following options are correct. So it is the set builder set roster form. Now write down the set builder form. So check one by one option. So first option and second option, third option, fourth option, all four options converted into set roster form. So which option is correct? That is the good answer. So it convert roster form. X said that x is a real number, nothing but what? Minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, next this is a x is an integer. X is an integer means what? Plus or minus 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, so on. Okay, next x said that x is a root of the equation. So x square is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1, 1 equal to 1. Correct. Put x is equal to minus 1. So 1 is equal to 1. Only two elements in this case, plus 1 and minus 1. So next in this case, no real number exists in this equation. Complex number exists. Okay. So x square plus 1 is equal to 0. Nothing but x is equal to I. I square is equal to what? Minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0. So it contains only one element I, because I square is equal to minus 1. So which among 4 which is correct? Oh, option C is correct. Minus 1 plus 1. So roster form is given. What is the set builder form? Option C. Therefore option C is correct. So very easy problem. KCET, yes, very easy problem. Most of the people ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಟೇಕ್. So now let us move on to the next question, question number 3. So this question based on the particularly based on the chapter relation function, in particularly binary operation. Okay, so a plus b, here in this case if the operation plus is there, is defined by this type: a plus b equal to a square plus b square for all real numbers of a and b. So a, b are the any real numbers. Then find out the 2 plus 3 plus 4. So this is the find outing fact. This is given fact. Okay, so using this given fact, we have to find out this value. Simple problem. Okay, so solve this problem. First we take find outing fact: 2 plus 3 plus 4 equal to, solve the plus 2 plus 3 using the condition a plus b is equal to a square plus b square. So 2 plus 3 nothing but 2 square plus 3 square plus 4. So 2 square 4 plus 3 square 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 13 plus 4. So here once again apply this condition: 13 plus 4 nothing but 13 square plus 4 square. So 13 square plus 4 square. So 13 square nothing but 169 plus 4 square 25. 169 plus 25, it nothing but 184. 4 4 is 16, sorry. 4 4 is 16. 13 square 169, 185. So good answer 185. Therefore option D is correct. So very simple problem. Most of the students solve this problem easily. So take down. So now let us move on to the next question, question number 4. So this question based on the chapter complex number, particularly modulus of the complex number. So this is modulus of the complex number. So many properties are there in modulus of the complex number. So using modulus of the complex and properties of modulus of the complex number, we have to find out the modulus of z. Okay, so when known about the properties of modulus of the complex number, first one, we know that these formulas. First one, modulus of z1 into modulus of z2 is equal to modulus of z1 into modulus of z2. Second one, modulus of z1 divided by z2 is equal to modulus of z1 divided by modulus of z2. Okay, so third one, modulus of z to the power of n equal to modulus of z whole to the power of n. These are the properties of modulus of a complex number. Using these three properties, we have to find out modulus of z directly without expansion. Okay, so as usual ನಾವು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೇಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗರು ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ z is equal to a plus ib ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. z is equal to a plus ib ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಟೈಮ್ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನ z is equal to a plus ib ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ z is equal to square root of a square plus b square ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಬೇಡ, ಇದು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಲೆಂಥಿ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್. So we have to find the modulus of z using these three formulas. So now take given data in this question. What is the given data? Z is equal to square root of 3 plus I whole to the power of 3 into 3i plus 4 whole square divided by 8 plus 6i whole square. So we have to find out modulus of z. So using the condition first, this is, so modulus apply both numerator and denominator, and also terms product is there, this formula. Okay, so modulus of root 3 plus I to the power of 3 and modulus of 3i plus 4 whole square divided by modulus of 8 plus 6i whole square. So using these three formula, directly we can write this term in this type. So now find out the modulus. Already we know about if z is equal to a plus ib, then modulus of z is equal to square root of a square plus b square. Okay, so modulus of z becomes root 3 square 3 plus 1 square 1 whole to the power of 3, 3 square 9 plus 4 square 16 whole square root divided by square root of 8 square 64 plus 6 square 36 whole square. So in this case, square and square root cancel, both numerator and denominator. So modulus of z becomes 3 plus 1 4, square root of 4 2, 2 to the power of 3 8 into 19 plus 16 25 divided by 64 plus 36 100. Okay, 25 4s are 4 2s are. So answer is 2. Good answer. So which option is correct? Option C is correct. Option C is correct. Therefore, option C is correct. So very moderate problem. Simple agide, adre moderate agide. ನಾವು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಬೇಗ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್. So now let us move on to the next question, question number 5. So every year KCET has 2 questions from complex number and quadratic equation. Okay, without fail. So already one question over, first fourth question on the basis of complex number. So this is the second question on the basis of quadratic equation. Without fail, KCET has 2 questions from complex number and quadratic equation, one from complex number, another from quadratic equation. So basically this problem depends on quadratic equation x square minus ax plus b square is equal to 0, where alpha and beta are the roots of this quadratic equation. Then we have to find out alpha square plus beta square is equal to what? So we need 2 formulas to solve this question. So first one depends on the roots of the quadratic equation. So first formula, if mx square plus nx plus c equal to 0, where alpha and beta are the roots of this quadratic equation, then alpha plus beta is equal to minus n by m, and alpha into beta is equal to c by m, where alpha and beta are these roots of this quadratic equation. Okay, so one more formula, algebra, alpha square plus beta square can be written as alpha plus beta square, beta whole square, nothing but alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha into beta. So 2 alpha into beta ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಡ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು, minus 2 into alpha beta. Okay, so using these 2 formula we have to find out the value of alpha square plus beta square. So now let us take a given condition, first given condition, and then find out alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, and then put the value alpha plus beta and alpha into beta in this equation, we get the required answer. Okay, so first we take the given condition. What is the given? X square minus ax plus b square equal to the 0. So in this case m1 n minus a, m1 n minus a cb square. So now alpha and beta are the roots of this quadratic equation. Alpha plus beta becomes what? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus n by m, again a by 1, nothing but a. Alpha plus beta becomes what? A, and alpha into beta. Alpha into beta what? C by a. Here c is what? B square. B square divided by once again 1 m. So alpha into beta becomes b square. Now using this formula, alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 into alpha into beta. Substitute the value alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, we get the required answer. Alpha plus beta is what? A square minus 2 into alpha beta b square, 2b square. So alpha square plus beta square equal to all a square minus 2b square. Which one? Which option is correct? Option A is correct. Okay, good answer. Option A is correct. Therefore, option A is correct. So very easy problem. So we know these two formula. We have to find out easily. Given fact is find out in fact alpha square plus beta square. Okay. So take down. So now let us move on to the next question. Question number 6. So this problem based on the chapter binomial theorem. KCET without fail one question asked from binomial theorem. So sequence and series. Sorry, this is sequence and series. If the second and fifth terms of a GP are 24 and 3 respectively, then the sum of first 6 terms, we have to find out sum of 6 terms. So first we have to find out first term and common ratio, and then using the sum of sum of the GP series formula, using the sum of the GP series formula, we have to find out the first 6 terms. So first we have to find out first term. So here given second term and fifth term. Second term is in the form of AR. AR is equal to what? 24. And fifth term nothing but A R to the power of 4 is equal to 3. So AR to the power of 4 divided by AR can be written as 3 by 24. So A get cancelled, R to the power of 3, 1 by 8. 1 by 8 can be written as 1 by 2 whole cube. So now R is equal to 1 by 2. So if R is equal to 1 by 2, second term is what? AR 24. But R is equal to 1 by 2, 24 4s are. So 48. This implies A is equal to first term 48. So using the formula Sn is equal to A into 1 minus R to the power of n divided by 1 minus R. So put n is equal to 6 because 6 terms. We have to find out 6 terms, and A is equal to 48 and n R is equal to 1 by 2. We get the required answer. R equal to 1 by 2. So simple. S6 is equal to A48 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power of 6 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2. It becomes 48 1 minus 1 by 64 divided by half is equal to 48 into 63 divided by 64 into 2. So we get the simplify this, we get the answer 189 divided by 2. Very easy problem, simple problem, NCERT direct question. Most of the students ಇದನ್ನು solve ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. So take down. So now let us move on to the next question. Question number 7. So this question depends on the binomial theorem, particularly independent middle terms. Particularly middle term, we have to find out the middle term in this expansion, binomial expansion. So solve this question, we need to do formulas. First, which term is first? We have to find out which term is middle term, and then find out the term using the general term. Okay. So first, take formulas. First formula, middle term formula. It is depends on index of the binomial expansion. So middle term ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ index ಮೇಲೆ depend ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So if index is even, here index is even is correct. Okay. So what is the middle term? Middle term equal to n plus 2 divided by tooth term. If n is even. Of course n is n plus 1 by 2 and n plus 1 by 2 plus 1th term. 2 middle terms ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ if index is odd ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ if index is even ಇದೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So one more formula, General term of a plus b whole to the power of n. So what is the general term? We know that general term tr plus 1 equal to what? NCR a to the power of n minus r into b to the power of r. So using these two formula, we have to find out the middle term. Okay. So here first, which term is middle term? N is even. So middle term becomes n. Substitute the n value. This is n 10 plus 2 divided by 2. The term 10 plus 2 12 divided by 2 6. Sixth term is the middle term. So now put the values. N is equal to r term 6 ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ put r is equal to 5. Okay, in the second step, put r is equal to 5 and a, this is the a, this value is a, this value is b. Okay, a equal to 10 by x and b is equal to x by 10 in general term. What is the general term? tr plus 1 is equal to ncr a power n minus r b power r, and also n is equal to here 10. Okay, n is equal to 10. We get the required answer. So now this implies t r equal to 5, r 5 plus 1 6, t6, the sixth term is the middle term. Okay, so t6 is equal to n 10 cr r5 into a. So a is what? 10 by x to the power of n 10 minus 5 b x by 10 to the power of 5. Okay, so this is 10 by x by 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Both are cancelled. Okay, value becomes 1. So 10c5 1s are 10c5. So t6th term, nothing but 6th term is the middle term. What is that? 10c5. So good answer, 10c5. Which option is correct? Option D is correct. Therefore, option D is correct. So very easy problem. Most of the students ಇದನ್ನು solve ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. So because NCERT direct question ಇದು NCERT book ಇಂದ ಹೇಗಿದೆಯೋ ಹಾಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಓದಲೇಬೇಕು. NCERT book ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. KCET ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಅಂದ್ರೆ NCERT book ಅನ್ನು ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಓಕೆ, ಟೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್. So now let us move on to the next question, question number 8. So this question depends on the based on the chapter determinant. Okay, so particularly application of derivative means what? We have to find out the area of the triangle whose vertices are given by using the determinant. Okay, coordinate chapter allu barutte idu use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂತ 3 terms ಅನ್ನು 3 coordinate terms, nothing but vertices na, but illi determinant use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So what is the given data in this question? If 2 determinant is equal to abc by 2, it is the given data. Then what is the find outing fact? Then the area of the triangle, we have to find out the area of the triangle whose vertices are given. This is the find outing fact. So one formula is there. So a formula na use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಈಜಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏರಿಯಾ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏರಿಯಾ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ ಏರಿಯಾ take as delta is equal to, already we learned about this formula, half into 1 x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3. So x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 are the vertices of the triangle. So here this is x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. Substitute, we get the answer and then simplify, and also using the given condition. Okay, so now delta is equal to 1 by 2 1 x1 by a y1 by a. Next second row 1 x2 by b y2 by b. Next 1 x3 by c y3 by c. So now here in first row 1 by a take common side, in the second row 1 by b take common side, common term take outside. In third row 1 by c is the common term, take outside. So it becomes 1 divided by 2a b c. Now 1a, this is b, this is c. This becomes x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. Our intention is this term, this determinant is in the form of this types, and then substitute the value abc by 2. So it convert into this type. So small change ಇದೆ, ಏನು ಆಗಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಬಿಡೋದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ 2. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ 2 ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ 2 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 divided by 2 to the 4 abc into, so all the term in the first column multiply by 2 without loss of generality, because 2 multiply in this case, in this term 2 to the 4. Okay, 2a 2b 2c. Second column as it is x1 x2 x3. Third column is as it is y1 y2 y3. So now it is in the form of this term. Okay, so what is the value? abc by 2. So now delta is equal to 1 divided by 4 abc into abc divided by 2. So now abc get cancelled. 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 nothing but 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is the correct answer. Good answer. Okay, so which option is correct? 1 by 8. Option D is correct. Therefore option D is correct. So very moderate ಇದೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ moderate problem ಇದು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಯೂಶುವಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಥಿಯರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿ ಯು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್. So now let us move on to the next question, question number 9. So question number 9 based on the topic chapter linear inequality in equation, particularly graph, solutions of the graph, solution of the linear inequations, simultaneous linear inequations by using the graph. Okay, so KCET without fail every year asks one question from linear inequality chapter. ಓಕೆ, 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ನೀವು ಓದಲೇಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನ ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ, ಶೇಡೆಡ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೌ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ what is the find out impact shown in the figure is given by the inequation. We have to find out the inequation, okay, by using the formula, by using the graph, by using the graph. Okay, so this is 3 linear inequations are there in this case, 3. Okay, so this line represented by the option x minus y is equal to 5. This is x minus y is equal to 5 line, because put y is equal to 0, x is equal to 5, correct? Put x is equal to 90, y is equal to 14, we get 5. Okay, this is clearly y is equal to 14 parallel to x axis. So this is y is first one 14x 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 plus 5y greater than nothing but equal to 70. Okay, this is x minus y equal to 5, y is equal to 14. So put x is equal to 5, y is equal to 0, we get 70. Here x is equal to 0, y is equal to 14, we get 70. Okay, so this line passing through these 2 points, this line passing through these 2 points, this is also passing through these 2 points. Okay, so for ಈಗ ನಾವು ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಏನು ಬರ್ತವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಈಗ Okay, so solution of this line contains origin, correct? Solution of these lines contains origin. So less than or equal to symbol change, equal symbol change by less than or equal because it contains origin. So similarly this line, okay, this is also contains origin. So less than or equal to equal replaced by less than or equal. So this line does not contain origin. Solution of this line does not contain origin. So equal replaced by greater than or equal. So these are the inequations. This is the solution set. Okay. So which option is correct? 14x plus 5y greater than or equal to 70. Correct. Y is less than or equal to 14. Correct. X minus y less than or equal to 5. Correct. So therefore option A is good answer. ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಹುಡುಗರು ಇದನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಓದಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ. ಶೇಡೆಡ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಕಲೆ ಬಂದಿರಬೇಕು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಗುರುತಿಸೋ ಕಲೆನೂ ಬರಬೇಕು ಇನ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್. So now let us move on to the next question. Question number 10. So this question based on the mathematical reasoning chapter first year. KCET every year asks one question from mathematical reasoning without fail. Very easy questions. ನಾನು ಓದ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಜಿಕಲಿ ಈಕ್ವಿವೆಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಲಾಜಿಕಲಿ ಈಕ್ವಿವೆಲೆಂಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. ಬಟ್ ಒಂದು ಡಿ ಮಾರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ ಲಾ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಲಾ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅವೆರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡಿ ಮಾರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ ಲಾ? ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವೆಲ್ ನೋ ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ A union B whole complement is equal to what? A complement intersection B complement. Similarly, negation of x or y equal to negation x and negation y. This is the De Morgan's law. One more De Morgan's law, reciprocal. Negation of x and y can be written as negation of x or negation of y. So on negation of negation x is equal to what? X. A complement whole complement equal to A. Same way we can write negation of negation x equivalent to x. Using these two formulas, we have to find out the value. Okay. So what is the given data in this case? Negation of negation P and Q. So using De Morgan's law, this law, negation applied to the both statement and becomes R. Okay, carefully observe. Negation of negation P or negation Q. So once again apply this formula. Negation of negation P can be written as P or negation Q. So ultimate answer, good answer, P or negation Q. Which option is correct? Option A is correct. Okay, therefore option A is correct. So very easy problem. ಈ ಡಿ ಮಾರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ ಲಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ನೆಗೇಷನ್ ಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಇವೆರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಟೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್.